In a major twist to the Odisha Police Sub-Inspector recruitment scam, shocking revelations of alleged multi-crore deals have ignited a political storm in the state. Reports suggest that Shankar Prusti, the alleged mastermind behind the scam, may have had links with top political figures, sparking a fierce exchange between the Biju Janata Dal and the Bharatiya Janata Party. After Prusti reportedly hinted at the involvement of the previous government, the BJD swiftly denied any connection. The party demanded a comprehensive investigation, insisting that simply arresting Prusti is not enough and that everyone involved must be brought to justice. The ruling BJP, however, hit back strongly. It accused the BJD of deflecting blame and trying to shield those responsible for the massive irregularities. BJP leaders pointed out that the contract with the company handling the recruitment process was signed during the BJD's tenure, suggesting that the roots of the scam go back to the previous regime.
SI रिक्रुटमेंट स्कैम या देरे बिजू जनता दलर स्पष्ट डिमांड जे इन्वॉल्व ताकू धरंतु जेते बड़ पावरफुल लोक हितांतु ताकू बांधंतु किंतु आपण जो मिछ आख्या दउचंती जे शंकर पृष्टि होउची यार मास्टरमाइंड से मिछ कहिले आमे छाड़ीबु नाही।
चोर मचाए शोर बिजू जनता दलर एवं तांको नेता मानकर ये होची पुराना आदत। आगुरु माननीय मुख्यमंत्री स्पष्ट कर सारी जी भी डकायत थी जी भी चोर थी जेते जघन्य अपराधी पाताल भी धरिकी आणवे नेपाल धराला काले अपराधिकर कौटना कौटी नवीन निवास पर्यंत काले दौड़ थी से बीजेडी बर्तमान भयभीत से पूर्व नई न देखु लंगड़ा न हो बिजु जनता दल।